In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily send files through Facebook Messenger. So if you want to send files through Facebook Messenger, whether that is photos, videos, etc., I'm going to show you how you can do that in today's video. So first of all, what you will need to do is open up your Messenger app. Once you open up Messenger, you will be brought to this page here, and then you will want to click on the person you want to send the file to. So I will click on this top chat here. Once you click on that, what you can do is simply click on the icon right next to the camera icon on the bottom of your screen. So once you click on that, what you will see is all of the files that are stored on your mobile phone, and from here what you can do is just select and pretty much select as many files as you would like to send. So once you have selected the files, all you simply need to do now is click on the send button, and then as you can see, those files have been sent into the chat. And then the person that you do send these files to will be able to view them, and then they will be able to save them onto their device. So it's just that simple to send files on Facebook Messenger, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.